Hi everyone, in this video we are going to be looking at how to pin items to our taskbar. Your taskbar is this area down here at the bottom of your screen where your time and everything is, and it will be the icons that automatically pop up for you to have easy access. To do that, you're going to start by coming over here to the left where it says type here to search. And one of the items that you definitely need to have pinned to your taskbar is Google Chrome. So if you start to type Chrome, you will notice it pops up. To pin it to your taskbar, you will bring your mouse over the words Google Chrome and you will right click. That's on the right side of your mouse, and it should bring down this drop box. When you get this drop box, you're going to come down here and choose Pin to Taskbar. And if you don't have it there already, you should notice it pop up. Another one that you are also going to get onto your taskbar is the snipping tool. So if you start typing snipping, you will notice that it brings up the icon for the snipping tool. Then you are going to right click and then you are going to pin to taskbar. And again, you'll notice that one was not down here before and it appeared. A couple others that you might be interested in, I always do my Outlook, which is my email on my computer. If you like to access it on the internet, that may not be necessary for you. You might like to have the sticky notes, which allows you to have like post-it notes in your background here with to-do lists and things like that. So again, you just right click on it and pin to taskbar. Okay, so that is how you pin items to your taskbar, which allows them to be readily available and easy to access down here at the bottom of your screen.